Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Bonsai Den Haag. Today I'm gonna talk about 7 things you need to know when starting with bonsai. First thing, is this a bonsai tree? This is a question I get a lot when friends come over. And in fact, bonsai is just the name of the art form you can make from every tree that exists a bonsai form. Second thing is, having just 1 or 2 trees doesn't make really a hobby. And this is because when you work on a tree, or if you have a seedling like this, you cannot do a lot. You have to wait a few years before this gets some real growth. So if you want to really do bonsai as a hobby, you should have at least 5 to 10 trees to really have something to do during the whole year. So, and the next point, number 3, is to be patient and enjoy the process. With bonsai, you really have to be patient. So don't take your time to cleaning the tree, to see what's possible, and don't rush into making decisions, so that you have give the tree the time to recover as well. So the most important thing with bonsai is that you keep the trees that you work on alive and healthy. Number 4 is that bonsai is a nice therapy to relax. When you're working on bonsai, you empty your mind and you kind of meditate. So it's really nice after work to go and watch your trees, to relax and enjoy. Number 5, bonsai is not something Asian or Japanese. It's just that the Japanese got in such a high level that in the Western world we use the word bonsai for the art form, but bonsai is growing and growing as an art form, and every country, every region has their own development right now. And in Europe we have our own tree species that grow different from the Japanese, the Chinese species, so that also have some other aesthetic, and this could also evolve the art form if we take out of the Asian context. Number 6, trees grow outside. Especially with you want to work the most of your trees with your local species. So here in Europe you have the European juniper, we have some oaks, we have a lot of trees, the birch right here. So try to work with trees that grows outside in your home surroundings. And 7, maybe the most important, is that bonsai is having fun. So don't take it too seriously. There are no rules in bonsai, just guidelines to help you form a tree. So have fun, enjoy the process, and don't be too serious about it. That's important. So thanks for watching. If you're getting value of this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about your own bonsai or how to work with bonsai, send me your questions to my email bonsaidenhaag@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to answer it. And I see you next time in Bonsai Den Haag.